Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Got in a trade on GU. Y'all know I've been trading GU lately. On GU for 1.3984. Right now, the market's currently at 139.53. I did a sale. I bought 9 contracts at $30. That put me at a $270 profit. I'm already up in profit, $209. Um, got in a pretty good trade, man. Got in a pretty good trade. I caught this move, this downside movement right here. As you see, my price is here, 84. I actually called it here, over here, but over here. I called it here, but it popped up and then came back down and then popped back up and then it went back down. I stayed in the trade. Um, stayed in the trade. Had to persevere. I know the move I thought was gonna happen would happen. It just kind of did one more move on me and then decided to go down. But it went for this 39.76. I tested the 39.74, 75. A little bit of resistance here. You can see I got wicks here, wicks there, and you can see the wicks and wicks right here. That came up to that price. They all touched this price, 39.75. So it kind of went there and went up. But the bears continue to win the market right now. And boom, we have downside movement. If you missed the move today, this was the move last night. I caught this upside movement yesterday morning. Monday morning, I caught this move, but I knew this move right here was coming, but I couldn't capitalize on it. I was at work, so came into the market. It was consolidation here. I could have caught this little upside movement. I got in the trade. I caught some property, and I think I caught property like $30, and I decided to get out the trade at 39.74. I just caught about $35, and now I'm currently in this trade, and I knew this was gonna be. I knew this upside movement wasn't strong. It was weak at this point, and this was the strongest part of the momentum in the market. But I knew it was gonna come up and try to test these levels here. Here, you see it. There's a level right there happening in the uptrend, a resistance level at the level where the market pulled back at. That's where some resistance was at, and didn't quite make it up to 4,000, 1.4 thousand. So it ended up falling, and boom, and here's the trade. It's the trade we in. I'm up in profit right now. I got 8 minutes left. I'm not gonna make this video too much longer. I'll come back towards the end of this trade. All right, guys, closing in on 30 seconds left. Excuse me, 30 seconds left. Market has took a dip down to the 40s for a second here. Boom, hit down there. I'm talking about over 30 pips here in a matter of 2 hours. This is pretty good market movement right there. This should put me over 1200. Which that'll put me at I guess today is Tuesday. It's Tuesday, trading day Tuesday now. That'll put me over $600 in profit from Friday. Oh, my alarm's going off, 5 o'clock. But yeah. Okay, it closed. The position settled. We're at 1220. Yeah, let's take a look at see what profits are. Okay, so 1220 minus 50, 40, 75, because that's where I started at. Restarted. All right, I'm $679.55 in profit. I started this trade Friday morning. That's what it was. Friday morning, it's the 23rd. So Friday morning till this point, I made $679. My live simulation here. It's going pretty good. It's going pretty good. I still have 3 more days left. 3, maybe 4 more days left of trading, which is good. I maybe hit $1,000 in profit within 6 days, 6 to 7 days a week. So that's pretty good. We'll start with a $540 account. But Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.